Here we will see data adapter object in ADO.NET. Data adapter is the part of the ADO.NET provider which provides the communication between the dataset and the data source. Data adapter performs the activities that are necessary to get the data from the data source in memory that held in the dataset. In ADO.NET, the data adapter serves as a crucial bridge between a database and a dataset, which is an in-memory representation of data. It facilitates both the retrieval of data from a data source and updates changes made within the dataset back to the data source. For this, data adapter specifies the commands that should be carried out to retrieve and update the data. Data adapter is used in combination with the dataset, and these two objects combine to enable both data access and data manipulation capabilities. Data adapter can perform select, update, insert and delete SQL operations in the data source. Data adapter can perform select statement to fill a dataset and use other three SQL statements like insert, update and delete to transmit changes back to the database. Similar to other ADO.NET objects, each data provider has a data adapter class. For example, SQL data adapter for SQL client, ODBC data adapter for ODBC provider and OLDB data adapter for OLDB provider. To declare a data adapter, use OLDB data adapter DA equal to new OLDB data adapter, which will create an object DA for the OLDB data adapter. For example, OLDB data adapter DA equal to new OLDB data adapter and will give the command select star from student with connection object. If you are using SQL client, use here SQL data adapter. Different properties of data adapters are delete command, which represent a delete statement or a stored procedure for deleting records from the data source. Insert command represents an insert statement or a stored procedure for inserting records to the data source. Select command represents a select statement or stored procedure for selecting records from the data source. And update command represents an update statement or stored procedure for updating records from the data source. Different methods with data adapters are fill, which fills the data records from a data adapter to a dataset object. Fill schema method adds a data table to a dataset. GetFill parameter method retrieves parameters that are used when a select statement is executed. And update method stores the data from a dataset to the data source. Situations where you can use the data adapters are when you want to work offline with the data or when you want to bind the data to controls and for batch updates or disconnected data processing.